Boom, check it out. Tactical protection review. Dude's about to get robbed in the grocery store. This is the best tactical protection review I have seen in a very long time, right? So my man's rolling up, touches him on the arm, right? Touches him again. And my man, other dude doesn't really look like he's that scared, doesn't look like he's boom. Dude goes back to shopping, I love it. So check it out, you guys. There's just a few things. Let me just illuminate a little bit of the cookie burger here for you in this little criblet. So check it out. My man rolls up. Okay, he doesn't know it's an attempted robbery yet. He turns his back to him a little bit. The dude taps him. He turns around. Now, freeze frame. So at this very moment, you see that our dude who is about to almost get robbed is bladed to the aggressor, right? Now, this is a great position to stand in when you are dealing with possibly combative situation for a few different reasons. Yes, you're protecting your vital organs. Yes, you can protect the side of your face if you need to. You can do some things. But most importantly, this bad boy right here is loaded. And when I say loaded, I mean loaded from your back right foot all the way up through your hips, all the way into your shoulders, and boom! And that is something to look for. It's a pre-incident, pre-attack indicator. So if you see a human being who is sitting there and has that, and if they are right-handed especially, has that right leg back just this much, then you must realize that they're physiologically, if I'm standing here like this, yes, I can do a lot of things like this straight up with you, but if they are already like this, they don't got a cock back player. And I just love videos like this where people try to victimize other people and they learn that it was a bad idea. My entire mission is to multiply protectors in the world. I want to make good people more willing, capable, prepared, and yes, more dangerous. I want evil to fear good. So spread this video, spread the message. If you're ever in the middle of an altercation and it's going from social aggression into possibly physical violence, you may not be able to tell all the signs in terms of what the person's saying to you, because some of us, you got the bulldog and you got the cobra, right? The cobra doesn't make any noises, the cobra doesn't do anything, and then boom, you get struck and it's too late, you're already dead, right? So, you know, some of us are cobras and you won't be able to tell by the way they're interacting with you. I might be smiling at you prior to choosing to defend myself against you, right? So when you see someone is already locked and loaded, someone is already standing bladed to you in a position to strike, that's a pre-indicator, that's a pre-incident indicator that, hey, maybe I should give this guy enough sufficient distance or keep myself in a place where I can actually defend myself if this person decides to strike, because he's already halfway there. Come train with us. Let's make the world a safer place by helping good people to become more dangerous. Boom, boom, it's finally here. Go to protectornation.com to join the Protector Nation community. Learn online and become part of our Protector Nation family. I look forward to seeing you guys there and for us all to join forces to make the world a safer place by helping good people to become more dangerous. I'll see you there, and until then, be peaceful but not harmless.